Hello dear students, I welcome you all in the online classes of Government College Revda Sirohi. I am Manisha, Assistant Professor English in Government College Revda Sirohi, Rajasthan. In our today's session, I will discuss you about a world famous dramatist and a poet, William Shakespeare. So let's begin our today's session. Key facts about William Shakespeare. Full name. The full name of William Shakespeare was William Shakespeare, and he was born on 23rd April in 1564, and he was baptized on 26th April 1564. The name of his hometown was Stratford upon Avon in England. Occupation. William Shakespeare was a famous playwright, an actor, and a poet. He died in 1616 on 23rd April. William Shakespeare was died on 23rd April 1616. William Shakespeare was best known for writing hugely successful theatre plays, and he also known as the Bard of Avon. During his lifetime, William Shakespeare wrote around 37 plays for the theatre and 154 sonnets. In his lifetime, William Shakespeare wrote around 37 plays and 154 sonnets. He belonged with England's Tudor period. He was one of 8 children born to John Shakespeare, a well-to-do glove maker and leather worker, and his wife Mary Arden, and heirs from a wealthy family. William Shakespeare William Shakespeare's father's name was John Shakespeare, and he was a shoe merchant, and his mother's name was Mary Arden, and she is from a wealthy family. In 1582, William married a farmer's daughter called Anne Hathaway. They had 3 children together, a daughter called Susanna and twins Judith and Hamnet. In the year of 1582, William Shakespeare married to Anne Hathaway, and she was the daughter of a farmer. And William Shakespeare had 3 children, one daughter, and the daughter's name was Susanna, and they had twins also, Judith and Hamnet. William was part of a theatre company called Lord Chamberlain's Man, who regularly performed at a place called the theatre, and William Shakespeare was also a partner of a theatre company, and the theatre company's name was Lord Chamberlain's Man, and he regularly performed at a place called the theatre. He also belonged the theatre, and he regularly acted in this theatre by plays. But after a dispute with the landlord, they took the building apart, rebuilt it across the river, and named it the Globe. But after a dispute or an argument with the landlord of that theatre, they took the building apart and rebuilt it, and they also named it the Globe Theatre. William Shakespeare's plays were immediately big hits. He wrote different kinds of plays, all of which could be divided into 3 categories. And William Shakespeare wrote many plays, and all of the plays which he had written could be divided into three categories. Number one is a tragedy, number second is a comedy, and number third is a history. In tragedy, there are he had written many famous tragic plays such as Hamlet, Othello, Macbeth, King Lear, and Romeo and Juliet. His if we talk about his comic plays, there are so many comic plays he has written. Twelfth Night, such as the Twelfth Night, As You Like It, and Taming of the Shrew. Number third is history. If we talk about his plays of history, there are many numbers such as Henry IV, Henry V, Richard III. William Shakespeare's plays had the royal seal of approval. Both Queen Elizabeth I and James VI of Scotland and of England would often hire Shakespeare's company to come and perform at the royal court. And William Shakespeare William Shakespeare's plays had the royal seal of approval by Queen Elizabeth I and James VI of Scotland and England. And they also hire Shakespeare's company to come and perform at the royal court. In Shakespeare's time, the plays are different to the ones we have today. There were no female characters, and the role of the female actors were played by the male actors. And in these time, the audience is very rowdy. Disaster struck in 1613 when a cannon shot set fire to the roof of the Globe and burnt it down. After this, Shakespeare retired from the theatre, and in 1613, Miss Fortunate happens the to the members of the Globe Theatre, and they burnt that Globe Theatre. And after it, William Shakespeare retired from the acting in the theatre, and for writing his plays for theatre to perform for the audience. Towards the end of his life, William lived quietly back in his hometown of Stratford-upon-Avon, and after it, William Shakespeare retired at his hometown in Stratford upon Avon, and in the end of his life, William Shakespeare lived quietly back in his hometown, and he died on 23rd April 1616. Thank you. I hope you all will like my video. Please do subscribe it and please share it with your friends. Thank you.